CX-9. Ganda pa ng rim ng ano, gulong, nakamounts. Mazda 3 all-wheel drive. CX-5 white color. Ganda ng loob ng CX-5 oh. Yung mga latest model nila ngayon na Mazda 2019 turbo ito eh. Ito naman CX-3. This one here, CX-5. Okay, salamat mga dos kasi iniikot natin tong Mazda Dealer. Dito kasi ako ngayon dahil nga dun sa sasakyan kong na damage, na bangga noong mga nakaraang linggo or last month. So bumalik ako rito, may pasik ulit yung sasakyan at ngayon I'm waiting kung anong resulta nung mga ano, yung meron kasing konting problema na kaya binalik ko rito. So I'm waiting what's the result, kung mawala ba yung problema na nireklamo ko sa kanila. So hanggang yan lang muna mga dods. Ano po, salamat sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Mazda Dealer dito sa anong kalye ba to? Rixdale Woodbridge. Alright, maraming salamat. See you then. Babus.
It's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun